Hi guys, welcome again. Today we have a new tool most of designers use it to convert sketch logo to a soft logo in Adobe Illustrator. I am talking about Shape Builder tool. Let's starting. This tool is used for merge shapes, but they must be intersecting. For example, I will draw three ellipses like this. Change the color. And now select all shapes and select the Shape Builder tool. Now I can merge this ellipse and this ellipse by drawing like this. Make it only one shape and this and merge this. And if I wanted to delete any part, click on Alt button and click on the part. Now for advanced example, I will draw this logo by Shape Builder tool. I will start with making ellipses. Shift button for make a circle and space button to move it. Make the stroke as a red. The other one. And the small one here. And the last one. And now make rectangles. And the last one here. Select all shapes and select the Shape Builder tool. I will start with delete the other parts like this and this. Alt button and this part. And this one. And the last one here. And now merge all parts. Now I will make this professional logo by Shape Builder tool. Let's go. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.